Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact Microsoft account signed into both Xbox and Rewards. Mismatches break sync. Once logged in, install every system update and verify your console's time zone and region. These affect Rewards validation. Now perform a full power cycle. Shut down, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart to clear cached sessions. After reboot, sign in immediately to the same account and open the Store and Xbox apps so the system reinitializes your Rewards linkage. Next, remove local account artifacts that can corrupt Rewards tokens, clear local saved games, and cache data to force fresh tokens. Then inspect family and privacy settings. Child accounts or blocked purchases stop points from accruing. Adjust those permissions and consent prompts. Once done, open Microsoft Edge on Xbox, sign into your Microsoft account, and load the Rewards dashboard to force a server-side token refresh. This step ties the console session to the Rewards service and reveals any permission or region errors you must fix. To finish, sign out of the account on the console, remove it completely, and then add it back. This full reauthentication refreshes tokens and permissions. Once re-added, perform a simple Rewards action, claim a daily offer, or run a short Edge search to confirm points post immediately. If problems persist, clear saved network profiles, run a network test, then power cycle again. This removes stale routes and DNS caching that block Rewards calls. If you still see errors, remove and re-add payment or region settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.